Quantum HFE Olympic Weightlifting Coach Course, Course Introduction Module. So the aim of this course is to provide a comprehensive practical overview for fitness professionals of the background, science and application. By the end of the course, candidates should be able to understand the correct terminology for the Olympic lifts, modified lifts and pulls, understand the safety considerations and contraindications associated with Olympic weightlifting, be able to lift the benefits of Olympic lifting as part of a well-rounded and appropriately periodized resistance training program, demonstrate competent techniques for the power clean, jerk and power snatch exercises, apply progressions and regression to the clean, jerk and snatch exercises, and show an understanding of how to include assistant exercises, Olympic pulls, modified Olympic lifts and the Olympic lifts within a course details. So minimum requirements: you should have a level 3 personal trainer qualification or above. Course is 16 hours in total and awards 16 reps points upon completion. What do you need? Well, access to Olympic lifting equipment, so bars, plates and ideally Olympic lifting platform for guided learning practice, the exercises, and access to a smartphone, tablet or computer for the digital resources. Assessments: well, you need to complete the guided learning hours, both observation and practice hours, completion of the theory quiz, which is submitted online, and on the practical side, competent demonstration of the key exercises, the snatch, clean and jerk, and also coaching skills, coaching the snatch balance, which are submitted either as a digital file uploaded to the system, which we assess, or assessed on a taught day if you are attending. So just looking at the assessments in a little bit more detail. So the practical assessment criteria are in your learner resource guide, and they're also accessible on their own on the learner management system. You can submit your practical assessments as 2 video files which you upload to the learner management system for marking by a tutor. And these 2 are the practical assessment on the demonstration side, so it's snatch, clean and jerk demonstrations. And the second one is a practical assessment coaching the snatch balance. You should see example videos if they're on the system and the learner resource guide for more information. As we said, this may be assessed on a taught day if you attend one, but reassessments will be submitted online. So endorsement. Well, this course is endorsed by Skills Active and Reps for CPD as long as you meet the minimum requirements. Just to clarify, the training provider, this is a Quantum HFE CPD course, and Quantum HFE is an endorsed provider with Skills Active. So how does the process work? Well, you want to download the manual and the learner resource guide PDFs, watch the presentations, complete the review questions after each presentation, complete any guided practice after you've watched the presentation, and then complete the online quiz in order to test your understanding. You can upload your practical assessment videos for marking, complete the guided learning hours form, and then you'll be, once you've completed everything and met the minimum requirements, you'll be able to access your certificate after all the criteria are passed. The learner management system will mark each stage off when completed. So here you can see the course breakdown in relation to the different modules, the time for observation, and any practice hours required for each of those. So you need to kind of fill this in on the guided learning hours form just to state that you've completed the minimum amount of time in order to pass this course. On the completion side, well, once you've completed the course, it will be categorized under completed courses. You'll be able to access your certificate any time to download for work or for rep CPD proof. And you'll also be able to access and rewatch any of the presentations at any time, including any updates we may do. So just review the assessment guidelines, agree to the course requirements on the learner management system, and then you can get started on the next module.